Aina Brias Guinart, and I am originally from Catalonia. I'm a PhD student at Helsinki University in Finland. My PhD topic is on environmental education as a tool for biodiversity conservation. I am a member of the Global Environmental Networks, and recently I have received some funding from GEN to do a project that is going to connect environmental education practitioners in Madagascar. I think the passion for the environment comes from my childhood. I used to live in the outskirts of Barcelona, in an area with very little access to green spaces. And my parents, especially my mom, would take us, my brother and I, to the mountains every other weekend. As a kids, we were not always like that. It was hard to walk up to the mountains. But then, at some point as a teenager, something switched, and I realized how valuable those experiences were. So I started volunteering myself in a hiking organization, taking kids to the nature. And now this passion has turned into my job. And since 2018, I am doing my PhD on the topic of environmental education in Madagascar. Let me explain you a bit more. Madagascar is an island located in the Indian Ocean, and is known all around the world by its unique biodiversity. But this biodiversity is at risk because of human pressure, such as deforestation, but also linked to insecurity, weak governance, and corruption. So many organizations in Madagascar, they are using environmental education as a tool to promote a better coexistence between humans and the environment. After 2 years working there, and after many conversations, one of the things that surprised me the most was that those organizations, they work in isolation. They don't know what the others are doing. And that, for me, it felt like a missed opportunity to share resources and ideas. So here is where the idea of this project comes in. Together with a group of practitioners and researchers, we decided that we're going to connect together those practitioners. So with funding and mentoring support from GEM, we're going to create an event that's going to bring together environmental education practitioners in Madagascar, for them to know each other, to learn what they are doing, and to exchange success stories. And we hope that this event is going to set the foundations for a long-term collaboration.